What to include in a site analysis? First thing, we got the site itself. You need to include the coordinates of the site and the elevation changes of the site. These two you can get with the help of Google Earth. You also need to know the zoning regulations and restrictions to understand which areas of the site you get to build and which areas needs to be left for sidewalks. Second thing, we have the site context, the neighboring buildings, their type, height, and function, and the cultural and historical significance of the site. Third thing, we have climate and weather. You need to document the wind direction and its intensity, rainfall levels, sun path, and it's very important to at least have sunrise, afternoon, and sunset direction during the summer solstice, winter solstice, and the two equinoxes. You also need to mark all the water bodies surrounding the site, like rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, etc. Fifth thing you need to include is accessibility and transportation to sites. Here you need to mark down all the roads, highways, pedestrian paths, bicycle paths, public transportation access to sites. Last but not least, keep an eye on the significant views from sites. This way you get to design specific moments on site where you can look into those views. And finally, you need to mark down the utilities access to site. This way you get to design your stations that supply your project close to those access points. Now let me know in the comments, what other things do you think are important to have in a site analysis?